This is a neat little tool that has a mini tool built into it that has 10 features, as well as a chain tool and 4 spoke wrenches. Everything is held together in this neat little case, high-powered magnet, so hold it nice and tight while you're on the trail. And the case itself also serves as a handle for additional leverage when using the bits on the tool. The chain tool can be configured by using the number 4mm bit and is compatible with 8 to 12 speed chains and would be orientated as such. Holding a chain tool in place with your thumb, you would drive the pin out, do your repair, and once you're done, it all tucks away nice and neat into the case. And you're done. In order to use the spoke wrenches, same thing. Just find the appropriate size, slide it over, make your appropriate repair, and when you're done, return it to the case. And the best feature of all is hidden. On the back side of the case is it has a built-in bottle opener.
The MARQUE MTC40 is 13 essential tools in one convenient, high-quality take-along multi-tool. The MTC40 features a super strong composite handle, hardened and plated tools, and smooth ergonomic operation. The MTC40 features a chain tool for emergency chain repairs and includes a CO2 cartridge inflator adapter for easy on-the-ride inflation.